In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror Trello cards. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that reacts when a card moves into a specific list and immediately moves it to a destination list, creating a clean, mirror-like workflow without manual dragging. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. If you're starting fresh, you can click Create at the top to spin up a new board. Otherwise, just open the board where you want this behavior. Make sure you have the lists you intend to use already on the board, or at least know their names because we'll reference them in the rule. At the top of the board, click Automation. This opens Trello's built-in automation tool. Choose Rules, which lets you define a trigger and an action. Click Create Automation to begin building your rule. We'll define the trigger first. Click Add Trigger, then select Card Move. This tells Trello to watch for movement events. You'll see a field to specify where the card is moving from or to. Type the exact list name that should kick off the mirror behavior. For example, if you want the rule to run the moment a card lands in To Mirror, enter that list name. When the correct list appears, click the plus sign to confirm the selection. This ensures the trigger is bound to the right list, not just free text. Next, add what happens after the trigger. Click to add an action and choose Move. This action will move the triggered card to a specific list, either on this board or another board you have access to. Type the destination list name, and when it appears, click the plus sign to lock it in. If the list exists on another board, make sure you have permission and that you select the correct board context during this step. With your trigger and action set, click Save. Your rule is now active. To test it, move a sample card into the trigger list and watch it jump to the destination list automatically. If it doesn't fire, double-check the list names for typos and confirm you added each item using the plus sign rather than leaving it as plain text. You can tweak or disable this rule anytime by returning to Automation, then Rules. This setup gives you a lightweight mirror effect by moving cards on contact, keeping work flowing to the right place with minimal effort. It's a fast, reliable way to route cards and keep your board structure consistent.